Okay, we're going to use the product rule to find the derivative of this function. So you'll notice that we have two things multiplied together, two sets of parentheses here. So what I'm going to do is map out our product rule to make sure we just need to basically fill in to get our derivative. So the very first set of parentheses, I'm going to call that f, and the other set of parentheses, I'm going to call that g. So the derivative of the product rule is you want to take f prime, the derivative of one of these anyway, times the other, and you leave it alone, plus then you leave the first one alone, multiplied by the derivative of the second one. You can do this in either order. It doesn't really matter. But for my purposes, I'm going to use f as the very first function. I'm going to first take its derivative. So just kind of one term at a time here. We're going to use the power rule, right? Exponent's going to come down in front and get multiplied by the 3. So we have 3 times 4 makes 12. Then we reduce the exponent by 1. So 4 minus 1 makes 3 for our new exponent. Plus, our second term here, we're going to do 2x to the 9th power. Its derivative, again, is the power rule. We're going to bring the 9 down in front and multiply it by the 2. So we get 18 out in front. Reduce the exponent by 1. So we have 9 minus 1 makes 8 for our new exponent. I'm going to put that all in a big set of parentheses. All of that is our f prime. Next, we want to multiply this by our g. So I just need to copy down 7 e to the x plus 3, that's what I'm treating as our g. Next to that, we're going to add. Next is copy down f. So again, big set of parentheses here, 3x to the 4th plus 2x to the 9th. All that just got copied down. It's a cut and paste. Multiplied by the derivative of g, kind of one term at a time here. We want to first focus on the 7 e to the x power. Well, the 7 is going to come along because it's a constant. Then the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Plus the derivative of 3 is going to be 0 because it's a constant. Now technically what we could do is we can get rid of this plus 0 at the end here. Doesn't really make much difference if it's there or not. And there's our derivative. Now what we could do is we could do some distributing, see if we have any like terms along the way, but I don't think it's going to work out very nicely in this case. So I'd probably leave all of that as our derivative. All right, hope this helps out as you're working on product rule. Take it one step at a time and think of it as a puzzle that you're just kind of filling in one piece at a time using the derivative rules you've been working on. Good luck.